How's the product selling? Its packaging and printing are crucial. Look at this image in my hand. Bright colors, embossed texture, and a gold foil effect. How is that made? We follow the South China Print and Label Expo and found Kaishun, a digital printer factory. This digital printer next to us is working. After automatic feeding, we correct the material's alignment, ensuring positional accuracy. Then dust removal and an electrostatic process to keep it flat. Then we reach the Flexo coating step. It applies a coating liquid to the base material, ensuring later colors have leveling and adhesion. Opening it, we see the inkjet internal section, composed of boards, ink cartridges, and printheads. It's like a heart pumping blood, supplying ink to the machine. Don't think just 5 colors are inside. It can achieve 80% of the colors in the library. Finally, we reach the gold foil stamping step. The foil's gold thread effect on this image and its embossed texture are all made in this process. Then it undergoes electronic inspection. If no issues, this finished product comes out. This machine is different. Yes, this machine is undergoing quality testing, ready for packing and shipping. It's an 8-color digital combo unit for our Spanish client. These machines can be customized per client needs. Some clients care more about cost and efficiency. The client bought this machine. It saves 15–20% in labor costs. Traditional printing requires more labor, and also plate making. It's inefficient and costly. Now with digital printing, just input an image into the computer. Like this digital printer behind me, it outputs at 100 meters per minute. Kaishun invests over $40 million a year in R&D, resulting in annual output over $700 million, covering books, labels, printing, textiles, and packaging. This looks like an oil painting. Is this also printed? Yes, that's the advantage of digital printing. It can stack colors to create height, giving a textured feel. This is a wine label, right? Yes. This is a sand texture effect, and this is a reverse effect. On the same label, the same pattern. Different effects can be achieved, not only on shoes, but also on clothes. It can be printed. This is printed directly on material. This is printed on heat transfer paper, then transferred to the shoe. I see it's inkjet. Won't washing or scrubbing fade it? Well, it's washable, and color fastness is very strong. In the past, packaging boxes were limited to about 500 units, because plate making costs were high, so small runs weren't feasible. Now you can start printing from just one box. That's the small but exquisite nature of digital printing. We are the first company in China to make digital printing equipment. Our company helped draft the digital printing standards. Most clients have revenue over 50 million, mid to high-end clients. They need speed, high precision, but stability is the biggest pain point. We install safe, compliant components on this machine, ensuring it runs 24/7 for the client. The difference from other manufacturers is, we have our own machining and sheet metal shop. Over 20 CNC machines and 5 large gantry enterprises. From the frame to the sheet metal cart unit and the entire wire production are all done by our own factory. This ensures quality and accurate compliance. Every March, we attend the South China International Label Expo. At the Expo, we attract many clients from different countries and regions. We negotiate with them and eventually sign agency agreements or orders. We believe the Expo gives our company a customer acquisition channel and showcases our products and image to a global audience, so we will strongly support it.